Morning, dear children, you all are welcome to the social class. In this class, we are going to see the new lesson in past and present, lesson number 3, the Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization means what? In which country the civilization was happened? Do you know that? Indus Valley. From this name, can you guess? That is in India also. That is the northern side of India. Most of the places nowadays that is on the hands of Pakistan. Okay, and this civilization happened around 4,500 years ago. How we are getting this about this civilization? From the excavations or the archaeological sources only, the main source to find to know about this civilization. The excavate here some excavated sites and something is there. You see in Mohenjo, this is the site Mohenjo-daro, the excavated site, and this is the excavated site in Lothal, that is in Gujarat. You see the Gujarat is in which location? In the northwest of India totally. That is here, this is only Gujarat, Lothal. You can see these are the Indus Valley civilization happens in this Indus. You can see this, the Indus river flow throughout these places. Here only that civilization happened. How this civilization, all the civilizations started near the rivers. Why? The primary activity agriculture only based on the water sources. So the civilization is happened in the river valleys. You see, the people will gather in the river near the rivers, and they will start to cultivate and get the food. This is the this is only the lifestyle. Here in Indus Valley, through this Indus Valley civilization, after this excavations, you see some ports also here. That is the Indus Valley civilization period ports. Nowadays in Keeladi, there are found the archaeological resources. The archaeological sources are there. They are near in our Pondicherry, which place? That Arikamedu. They are, if you are going to that place, means there a board is there that is under the control of our Indian central government, and that is mentioned as the archaeological site. That is a archaeological site that is under the archaeological some department is there now, just a police department like that. That archaeological same separate department is there, that is under the control of that Indian central government. Like that, these places, after these excavations, these places are also under the control of that government. Then only the people will go there and they will excavate the things through the excavations, and we are getting these resources. Here, the town planning, you see, this is very straight. This is looking very good, no? The straight buildings are there. Through this, they are telling the main road, the main roads are ran parallel to each other, and there were street lamps on the roads there in the time. No, there is the street light. Nowadays in our homes, no, we are switch off the lights after 7 o'clock night time, not in the morning. I am telling, we need to switch on the light in the morning. In the 6 p.m. means it need to be light up to the morning 5 or 6 p.m. but we are switch offing the that lights. But that 4,500 years ago, there is a street light, and houses were built on both sides of the streets. Nowadays you can see, no, both sides of the street in Pondicherry also the houses are built. Maybe they followed that way, and they have used the backed bricks of good quality backed bricks they have used. And you see here, this is the side street in Mohenjo-daro. You see, that is very straight street, no? The end is just like that sky, no? And here the street, right? And here the ornaments, how they have used that ornaments. The rich jewelry made of gold and silver. Nowadays we are wearing that gold and silver jewelry, no? Like that, the uh, they wore the gold and silver jewelry, but the poor people wore the bone, shell, and copper. Here you can see that. And then amusements are, what are the amusements? Singing, dancing, and the singing and dancing is very popular. Then that chess is very famous, and famous day on that time. Agriculture is the main occupation. The people, through that god's symbols, that is a woman god, that is clay figures probably of the mother goddess. This goddess, that is the women, just like that faces, everything we can see that the women goddess. There is a respect maybe there on that period to women's. And you see the seals also there, the in the seal. Why they have worshipped this seal as a god? Maybe they followed the agriculture was the main occupation, no? What we need to farm a land, they are using bull, no? That is bull. Nowadays also the natural method they are following means they will use that cow and bull cart, no? Bulls they are using that. So they may be respected, give the respect to this bull. They hear the in the seals. These are the in the seals. Now that scripts are, the in the script have been engraved on numerous seals. Through this only they are telling numerous seals. This is from this excavation only they have got. Then this Indus Valley civilization, how it is declined. They are telling different of opinions. The historians giving different of opinions. That is the Indus Valley civilization. Some are telling there is the natural disaster, earthquake, floods like that happened, because of that Indus Valley civilization was declined. And they are telling a change in the course of river Indus, because the rivers will not be go in the same way, and sometimes they will be dry, or they will spread through, they will make the flood like that. Because of that, maybe the Indus Valley civilization was declined, or a change in the cropping pattern suggested by new finding of Birana. They are telling like this. These are the reasons they are telling, but what is the reason for decline of that Indus Valley civilization, they don't know. They are telling the several ideas only. Okay, maybe the natural disaster may be the main reason. Okay, concluding this one, you read the lesson very well. Thank you, children. God bless you all.